Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super last minute costume for you guys. I am a child of the 80s, so the movie The Neverending Story holds a very special place in my heart. So today I decided to do the Childlike Empress. The makeup took me less than 10 minutes to do. The costume took me about 30 minutes to put together, and altogether the headpiece, making the costume cost me, I think, $13. I got the outfit from thrift stores. I made the headpiece through a headband and some fake pearls from Joann Fabrics, and the makeup was all stuff I already had in my collection because it is such easy makeup to do. I guarantee you have everything you need for it already and won't need to buy any makeup. If you guys are like I am and you're super last minute, maybe this tutorial will help one of you guys. And if you do this look, please tag me on it on Instagram or Facebook or anywhere. I would love to see it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like last minute Halloween tutorials, or if you watch The Neverending Story and the scene with the horse drowning scarred you for life. Subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and smash that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Now, let's get right into this very childlike and innocent look. So the first thing I already did off camera was slick my hair back and put it in a very low ponytail just to keep it nice and slick to the head. For the eyebrows, we don't want anything harsh. We are supposed to be childlike even if we are not childlike. I'm using the Tarte Clay Play palette. That is really hard to say. And I'm taking the shade Ember and I'm just gonna run that really gently through my brows just to fill in some sparse spots, but they should not be shellacked to your face. For the face itself, I understand why a lot of people would probably want to cake on a ton of foundation to hide any sunspots or wrinkles or things that might show your age. Personally, I think you should go light on the foundation, really light, like a child would if they wore foundation. Kids don't wear foundation. I'm just going in with my beauty blender and just some BB cream, and I'm just gonna dot that all over my face. If you want a little more coverage like I do, go in with just a touch of concealer. Again, don't make it too heavy, don't make it too cakey. We're supposed to be like 12 here. As always, I am using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral and my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Alabaster. I guess I should talk about my outfit here. This tank top, it's a little bejeweled tank top. I will show you. Look at those, like little sparkly flowers. I got this at Savers, which is a local thrift store chain around here. And then I went to the curtain section and I bought a nice sheer curtain to throw over it. So I'm wearing curtains. Well, let me tell you though, it was a lot easier than finding a sheer white dress. And if I had time, I could tailor the hell out of this and make it look fancy, but ain't nobody got time for that right now. Now that our base is done, let's go in with the eyes. We are going to do a super light wash of smoke all over the lid. This is a matte cool tone brown gray. And when I say a light wash, I mean a very light wash. We're not going for a smoky eye here, just a little bit of darkness on the lid. From there, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go into Finders Keepers. This is the Dose of Colors I Love Sarah E collection. And I'm going to gently take that and buff that all the way around the eye. Now it's going to stay mostly on top, but bring it down a little bit too. I know pink eyeshadow under the eye can be a little scary, but just build it gently, start small and build up. To finish off the eyes, we're not going to use any liner, either in the tight line, the water line. We're not using any liquid liner. We're just going to do mascara. Choose a mascara that really lengthens and separates. Don't go for one that gives drama or volume or things like that. We want to look childlike. We want to look innocent. We want our lashes to look straight up and our eyes to look really big. So I'm going in with the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. This one works wonders for me. I am going to curl first, but this does hold a curl nicely. Now, you can contour if you want on this look, but I really don't think it needs it. I don't think you want that chiseled look or anything. I'm just going in with a little bit of bronzer just to kind of brighten up the face a tiny bit and maybe give a tiny contour, but nothing you can see, it's not extraordinary. For blush, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics 10 color nude palette. This is only $5, I think, cheap. And I'm going in with this rosy color very, very gently on the apples of my cheeks and bringing it back a little bit. See, you can see how much product this picks up, so make sure you tap as much of it off as possible. Even then, look at that. Whoa. And now I'm a clown. Now to give my skin that actual youthful glow, I like to go in with a liquid highlighter and then top it with a little bit of powder. So I'm going in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. This is in the shade Opal. I'm gonna just pat that on the high points of my cheeks. And then to top that off, I'm going to use a little bit of Becca's Moonstone. This is a beautiful vanilla color, and that'll just kind of bring the glow out even more. And finally for lips, you don't want anything too heavy. I'm just going in with this lip gloss by Pixi. It is called Honey Sheen and is a beautiful sheer pink with some sparkle to it. It'll just make you look fresh and young and childlike and empress-like. And there you guys have it. This tutorial took me all of 12 minutes to film, and that was with me talking to you and having to get up a few times, so you know it is super easy. You can probably do this look in like 5 to 7 minutes total. My costume cost me all of like $12 total, and I got it all within like the span of maybe 30 minutes by going to 2 stores, Joann's and a thrift store. I hope you guys enjoyed this really last minute Halloween tutorial. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. You are super rock stars, and I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.